Hi guys, welcome. I'm Farmer Steph with Farm to Table Kids, and I'm with Cameron Bonsi from Coast of Maine. Today, we're answering the top 10 questions kids ask me during farm camp. Cameron, what's our next question?
Can you use seeds from last year?
That is such a great question. Yes, you absolutely can. Something really important, you want to make sure it's healthy seed. So if you know that plant had powdery mildew or some kind of disease, do not collect seed or keep seed from that plant. So if it's healthy seed and you've kept it out of extreme temperatures, heat and cold, then you're good to go. As you can see, I keep a lot of my old seed packets in these Tupperware bins and they store really well. And I also am a huge fan of collecting my own seeds too. So by all means, store your old seeds. If you have seeds that are like 3+ years older, I do add and plant more just to increase the germination rate. Happy growing!